The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power sunroof, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.